I'm here tonight to report my story because it's unacceptable. You expect your medical professionals to give you correct doses.
That from Denise Iserloth, alongside her husband here, whose 8 and 11-year-old children were given the wrong amount of COVID-19 vaccine last Saturday at Sutter Health's Antioch Pediatric Vaccine Clinic.
They absolutely failed my children and the other 12 children involved.
Sutter Health issued a statement saying that 14 patients were given an incorrect amount of diluent, going on to say, as soon as we learned of this, we contacted the parents and advised them of CDC guidance in this situation. Denise says she was told, but that came nearly 10 hours later and after her older child fell down twice.
We would have assumed that there was more in place to prevent something like this happening, but obviously at this place there wasn't. So
the Iserloths, whose children were both homesick Monday with bad stomach aches, say their 8 and 11-year-olds were given 20 micrograms of dosage instead of 10. They're now very concerned about any long-term effects, but Dr. Peter Chin Hong of UCSF says the kids should be okay.
Headache, muscle aches, fever in some cases, chills, but they should go away in a day or two. So I would say hold tight and not worry too much, and that's all expected.
Chin Hong says during clinical trials, kids were given 10, 20, and the adult dose of 30 micrograms. He says negative effects in those higher doses were not seen. As to going forward, Sutter Health says we immediately reviewed our processes to help make sure this doesn't happen again. Still, though, Denise and her husband want details from Sutter Health as to how something like this could have happened.
There has been nothing clarified as to how this happened to our children and the other 12 children involved, and it is unacceptable and negligent, completely negligent on their part.
J.R. Stone, ABC 7 News.